Let's begin with a news break coming in. Health experts have now sent across a report to Prime Minister Modi, and they've warned that an unplanned vaccination can promote mutant strains of coronavirus. The report recommends vaccinating vulnerable and those at risk instead of a mass jab drive, including children, should be the aim at present. The report states that mass, indiscriminate and incomplete vaccination can also trigger emergence of mutant strains. It's unlikely that mass vaccination of all adults will catch up with the pace of natural infection among our young population. They've also said in their report, this is another important part, there's no need to vaccinate people who had documented COVID-19 infection. So in this report, health experts have said that instead of mass indiscriminate vaccination, we must ensure that targeted groups are vaccinated first, because they're warning of the emergence of more COVID strains. Kumar Kunal is joining us with more details on this. Kumar, just break down some of the highlights of what this report states on the vaccination drive so far.
See, this report is quite important in the given context that we are going through a second wave and a third wave is imminent as per the experts. So if we go through the communication by these experts with the Prime Minister, there are three main factors if we will break into. First is the availability of vaccines. How many vaccines are available with country right now? The second factor is whom we are vaccinating. Is it a planned vaccination or indiscriminate vaccination? And the third, the timing of the vaccination drive, which is going on when the second wave has peaked. And now, although it is somehow subdued, but a third wave is quite imminent. So what the experts are telling, that we have limited number of vaccines in our country and hence we should use them judiciously. We can't just vaccinate indiscriminately to anyone, and we should have a target group whom we should prioritize, like senior citizens. They are more vulnerable. Similarly, if sero survey is being used as some evidence, then those districts where the sero survey percentage is lower, people from those districts should be vaccinated first. Secondly, how the vaccination drive should go. So all these things are there. A blueprint is being given, like those who are already found positive or who are already infected, there is no need to provide vaccination as of now, although they are also writing that ideally everyone should get a vaccine, but we have to prioritize them according to the vulnerability. So these things are quite important, and that's what experts have suggested to the Prime Minister in their letter.
So they're saying that don't just vaccinate everyone at one go. Ensure it's done in certain groups, certain categories, because they're saying that otherwise there is always the threat of the emergence of more mutant strains. Kumar, thank you for all those details.